Welcome to the North Kent Woods and Downs National Nature Reserve. Proud to be part of the King's series of National Nature Reserves, a network of exceptional places dedicated to conserving the best of our natural world. National Nature Reserves are special places, havens for nature, supporting science and inviting people to connect with the outdoors. And this reserve is something truly extraordinary. Stretching from Gravesend to Medway, it's home to a remarkable mosaic of habitats. From ancient woodlands rich with history to arable plants that are rare across the country, each connected area plays a vital role in supporting biodiversity. At its heart are nearly 2,000 ancient and veteran trees, some over 500 years old and internationally significant. These towering giants are lifelines for countless species, from rare beetles and bats to delicate lichens and fungi. Surrounding them, wildflower meadows buzz with pollinators, and chalk grasslands provide homes for orchids, butterflies, and skylarks. This landscape is a living legacy. Ancient woodlands shelter plants and animals that can only survive in these special habitats. Together with the chalk grasslands and meadows, they create a vital network for wildlife to thrive. It's a place of breathtaking beauty, where every visit offers a chance to explore, learn, and reconnect with the natural world. Behind this incredible reserve is a growing partnership of organisations, united in our mission to manage more than 20 square kilometres of this landscape, ensuring its beauty and biodiversity endure for generations to come. Welcome to the North Kent Woods and Downs National Nature Reserve, a haven for nature, a treasure for all. Come and experience it for yourself.